Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to trim a video, how to split a video. So let's start. I'm in a movie maker software, as you can see here at the top, and here on the home tab in the top left I'll click add photos, videos and photos, and then here I have downloaded one video for this project, so I'll click open. Now as you can see, the video is loaded on the storyboard and the time is 2 minutes and 38 seconds. So if I play, you can see that the video is being playing. So now what I want to do is, first I want to trim the video. So I'll stop here and I will go to edit, and here in the edit you can see I have two options here in the editing group, split and the trim. Split means I can divide the video, I can make parts of the video. Okay, so into two parts I can split. And this trim means that the unwanted parts I can remove from the video. And then I have set start point and set end point as well. So if I click set end point, the video will be deleted from that point forward. So for example, first I will split the video. I will bring the slider here in the middle, here for example, and then I will click split video. When I click split video, you can see the video is divided into two parts now. And if I don't want the second part, I can right click and remove this part here. Now only I have this part available here. So this is how we can split the video. So I will undo once more. Okay, so now I will trim the video. For example, I play the video from here. Let me bring it the seek bar here. Okay, so I'll stop here and then I'll click the trim tool, and here I can set start point and set the end point as well. Okay, and here in the video you can see this. I can drag this from here, and from the end point I can drag as well, like this. As you can see, when I'm moving these vertical bars here, the time duration of the video is getting shortened as well, as you can see. All right, so right now it's almost 2 minutes video. Before it was 2 minutes 38 seconds. And then I will click save trim, and my video has been trimmed. And if I play, if I move the slider in the beginning, now you can see it's a 2-minute video. Here you can see if I play it, so the unwanted part is being trimmed now. So that's how we can split the video and we can trim the video as well. Thanks for watching.